Hi all, today we are going to discuss our second chapter, More Tools. More Tools. Already we have learned our first chapter. Many more options we have already discussed. So now the turn is for some more tools. First one is Crop Tool. Crop Tool. It helps you to crop objects. Easy removal of unwanted areas in object. So simply you can crop your images, you can crop your other objects as you are doing in your mobile phone. And how we can take the option? You can see the option is available on the screen, crop, and many more flyout options are available there like a knife, eraser, virtual segment delete and all. So to crop an object, what we have to do? Select the object to crop, click on crop tool, drag to define a cropping area, then double click inside the cropping area. Now the object portions outside the cropping area will be removed. If you don't select any object or all of the object will be cropped without our choice. Then you can move, resize and rotate your object with the help of crop tool. To rotate the cropping area, click in the cropping area after getting bidirectional arrow. These arrow marks are also known as corner rotation handle. Corner rotation handle. You can rotate it. As you can see, the examples are given here. The first image is used to crop and the second one is used to rotate. You can see the bidirectional arrow mark there, and it is also known as the handle, rotation handle.
You can see this. I have drawn a rectangle. This is crop tool. Clicking on that, dragging on the area of my object, double clicking there. This is the cropped image. This is undo. Okay, then again I'm going to crop. Again I'm cropping it, double clicking inside. This is my cropped image. Again undo. I am showing you this.
Hand tool. Its symbol is like this, and also we can give the tool with the letter H. You can have the flyouts for the hand tool, that are zoom tools available here. First one zoom tool, second one hand tool. And also hand tool is known as pan tool. So pan tool, hand tool, both are same. Is an additional way to view specific areas of a drawing. So you can zoom it and you can see these all with the help of these two tools, zoom tools and the pan tool or hand tool. It is very useful when you work with large drawings and when you use a high magnification level and some parts of your drawing are not displayed in the drawing windows. Used to scroll the page or to preview. You can select the hand tool, then click and drag in the window. Simply you can work with the hand tool. So we can just brief it. Click the pan tool, drag in the drawing window until the area you want to view appears. When you are not editing text, you can also access the pan tool by pressing the H key. To pan in the drawing window while zoomed in on the drawing, click the navigator button in the lower right corner of the drawing window. Alternatively, you can press the N key and drag the crosshair pointer around the navigator pop-up window. You can quickly center the page in the drawing window by double-clicking the pan tool in the toolbox. You can see some example. This is an example which is created with the help of zoom and pan tool. If you need to just make some clarifications on these images, you just need to use that tool. So individually, each of these symbols or these emblems, these images can be managed. Next is zoom tool. Zoom tool. You can change the view of a drawing by zooming in to get a closer look or by zooming out to see more of the drawing. Panning and scrolling are two additional ways to view specific areas of a drawing. When you work at high magnification levels or with large drawings, you may not be able to see the whole drawing. Panning and scrolling let you move the page around in the drawing window to view previously hidden areas. You can zoom in and out while you are panning, and you can pan while you are zooming. So both of them can be took place at one time. You can also access the zoom tool by pressing the Z key. Using the zoom tool, you can also zoom in by clicking anywhere in the drawing window or dragging to select a specific area to magnify. To zoom out, right-click in the drawing window. You can also zoom in by using the pan tool and double-clicking in the drawing window. To zoom out, right-click in the drawing window. So this is the simple way to use zoom and pan tool.
This is known as zoom tool. Yes, we are taking pan, zoom and all. Selecting a portion to zoom like this. Yes, it's zoomed. Now it is very easy to work with these images, and also you can control it. Zoom in, zoom out, everything you can do like this. You can change the particular locations. You can move these all parts. Again we are going to that tool, pan tool, and we are changing the entire portion. This is the difference between pan and zoom. I'm checking it with pick tool. Again we are taking it using pan tool.
Freehand tool. This is the symbol for freehand tool, and the next image is an example which is created with the help of freehand tool. You can see these all curve tools available on the right. The freehand tool lets you control the smoothness of the curved line. You are drawing single line segments and curves. When drawing straight lines, you can constrain them to straight vertical or horizontal lines. To draw a line, click the freehand tool, then click where you want to start the line and drag it. To draw a straight line, click where you want to start the line and then click where you want to end the line. To add line segments to an existing line, click the end node to a selected line, then click where you want the new segment to end.
Here we are going to use freehand tool. Choosing freehand tool from here. These all are the tools available there. So after choosing F5 or freehand tool, we can draw anything as these designs or anything else, or straight lines. we can move it accordingly, and also we can enlarge it. We can fix any shape. This is another straight line, another shape. Next one is Bezier tool. Bezier tool. Simply choosing that and clicking like this. After dragging it, you can get some curve.
Bezier tool. Let you draw straight lines or curved segments at a time by placing each node with precision and controlling the shape of each curved segment. Click, click the Bezier tool, press the letter B on the keyboard, or press Shift plus F6 to activate this tool. Click the spiral icon. Click where you want to begin your curved line. Drag to where you want a curve. Click again. Drag to where you want another curve. Click again. Continue until you have completed your line. Artistic Media Tool. You can draw lines or varying thickness and shapes, paint with a brush or sprayer, or draw calligraphic lines. Also to draw different types of arts. The tool have 5 drawing modes: preset, brush, sprayer, calligraphic, and pressure. Pen tool. Let you draw lines one segment at a time by placing each node with precision and controlling the shape of each curved segment. The pen tool gives you the added ability to preview the line segments as you are drawing. To draw a curved segment, select pen tool, click where you want to place the first node, and move the mouse where you want to place the next node. Then you will get the control handle. Move the control handle to curve the segment and press enter key. Smart Fill Tool. This is the icon Smart Fill Tool. And you can see some examples for Smart Fill Tool. Use the Smart Fill Tool to fill an area where objects overlap or to create a new object from an enclosed area. By default, the enclosed area is filled with a blue-gray color. To change the fill color, click a color on the color palette. Click the Smart Fill tool, then click the enclosed area that you want to fill.